10:25 on BBC One.
Now on BBC One, the news with Mishal Husain.
The President of Cyprus tries to diffuse anger over the terms of an EU bailout, saying his country risks bankruptcy. Cash machines have been emptied as a tax of up to 10% on savings is announced. British troops serving in Cyprus will be protected. Last-minute attempts at a deal on press regulation as David Cameron faces Nick Clegg siding with Labour in tomorrow's Commons vote. Changes to pensions and social care in Wednesday's budget, but the Chancellor says there'll be no easy answers to Britain's economic woes.
This is BBC Television, broadcasting from the television centre.
Not for much longer as BBC News says goodbye to an iconic building. We look back over 40 years. Good evening. The President of Cyprus has warned that his country faces bankruptcy unless it accepts the terms of an international bailout. There's been shock and anger in Cyprus since it was announced that the deal includes savers paying a levy of up to 10% on the money in their accounts. Here, the government's promised that British troops serving in Cyprus will not be affected. Our correspondent Mark Lowen has this report from Nicosia.